And welcome to Grandad's Reviews, another 2-minute tips and tricks. This time we're going to have a look at dual display settings on the Fuji X cameras. So you've got on the back your display button here, and this can toggle you through your different displays. We're looking at the LCD at the moment, so when we press the button we lose all the information. We'll go to full information and dual display, so we have to be in manual focus, not in autofocus. So we've got the main display and then a zoomed in section we can use for focusing. And we go from it again. If you look through the eyepiece, you can do the same, and you'll get the dual display in the eyepiece. Come away from the eyepiece, you've still got the full display on there. So go back to the eyepiece, press display, we've got full display in the eyepiece, full display on the back, go through, dual display on the back, go to the eyepiece, I've got full display in the eyepiece. So whichever you're using, either the LCD or the eyepiece, you can toggle them through independently. And if you go into the settings, screen setup, page 2, you've got the dual display settings, and basically you can change whether you've got the smaller focusing frame on the right or the left of the main. So if I change it to that way, we've now got a larger zoomed in frame, and then the smaller box is the whole view. And I go to the eyepiece, I've got the same thing. So that's a quick look at dual display settings on the Fuji X cameras. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.